Welcome to the unboxing of the IQ252 bridge saw. Before you begin, always refer to the owner's manual for complete safety and setup instructions. The IQ252 ships in the upright position to ensure safe and secure transport. Begin by removing the outer shipping box to reveal the saw and included components. Inside, you'll find one IQ blade and the owner's manual. Be sure to set these aside for later. Next, using 11mm wrench, remove the two bolts securing the legs of the saw. Then, grab an 11mm wrench to remove the two support bolts located just beneath the dust tray.
11 or 7/16.
Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws fastening the lower support. Once all hardware is removed, carefully tilt the saw down onto its wheels. Now you're ready to roll the IQ252 out. For full assembly and safety instructions, refer the included manual. Thanks for watching and welcome to a cleaner, smarter way to cut.